The kit comes with a template. You line it up and secure it with some painter's tape. After you remove the inner fender liner, you will see this part here, which is the air intake duct. This part will be discarded as the Snorkel comes with a conduit that will connect the Snorkel to the OEM intake. I used a Sharpie to mark all the holes in the template, and then first use a very small drill bit to do pilot holes, and then re-drilled all of the holes bigger to what the kit specified. The kit specification says 16 millimeters for the holes. This is the area where the 105 millimeter hole saw hole will be cut. I added some painter's tape bigger than the area that will be cut just to be safe. I think I'm good. These tools are sitting in my shed. This thing's probably sitting there for years without being used, but if the day comes. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if it lines up. Never doubt your boy. Measure twice, cut once. After I secured all the studs to the Snorkel with Loctite and let it dry, I mounted the Snorkel and then added the hardware. Pictured here is the air entry hose that goes from the Snorkel to the OEM intake. And here's that same hose connected to the OEM intake. Note that as per the instructions of the kit that this housing needs to be cut to allow connection of the aftermarket to OEM hoses. And here you go, here's the finished product. And yes, I know I might have missed a few steps, but I wasn't planning on making a video in the first place, so I took the photos I had and figured this might be useful.